Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Good afternoon, guys! Happy Monday! Happy Vlogmas Day 3! Hapon na, guys. Tapos ko lang maligo. And luto na ang aking pork chop. Yung lunch ko and my rice is heating up as well. Agay, ano ba yan? Nakita ko sa inyo yung aking lunch because it looks really, really good. Ayun, tapos na yung aking rice. Nag-air fry lang ako ng pork chop. Madali ang lunch, guys. Kakainin ko siya with rice. So, look at this. Wait a sobrang simple lang nito. Ganyan siya. So, yung pork chop, yung ginawa ko, ang bango! Yung pork chop, yung ginawa ko sa kanya is parang sinasaksak siya ng kutsilyo ba? Para may cut-cut siya ng konti. And then, nilagyan ko ng vegeta at saka pepper. And, in-air fry ko siya ng how many minutes was it? 15 minutes. Ayun. So, while naliligo ako, nag-i-air fry siya. And it smells really good. And it's cooked. Ayan. Nagtatawag ng aking rice. Kain tayo, guys. Let's eat lunch. Naririnig nyo yung aming laundry. Aming washing machine. Because I'm doing laundry today. Isang load lang naman. So, okay na. Kain tayo! Magkakamay ako because yummers. Guys, let's get this laundry sorted. May mga kailangan pa akong tupiin. Yan, mga dry na din yan. So, kunin ko lang yan. Tapos, sampay natin yung bago. Ito na naman. Tupi-tupi na naman. Pero ito yung favorite ko na gawin. Yung laundry at saka pagtupi. Ito talaga yung favorite household chore ko. Hindi ko alam. Yung iba ayaw na ayaw magtupi. Ayaw na ayaw maglaundry. Ako gustong-gusto ko to, guys. Mas gusto ko to kaysa maglinis ng bahay. This is good. Si Dan, late na naman daw darating. Sabi niya baka daw mga 6. Maaga yun umalis eh. And siya yung nagluto ng breakfast niya. Galing talaga. Ay, hindi pala siya nagluto. Siya yung gumawa ng breakfast niya. Yung ginawa niya is yung Greek yogurt, tapos nilagyan niya nung raspberry. So, hindi naman siya luto. Pero yeah, sabi niya kanina, stay in bed. Ako na bahala sa aking breakfast kasi gusto niya matutunan. Good boy siya, diba? Galing-galing din niya, diba? Agoy, yung aking jacket. Dapat labhan yan. Bakit nandyan yan? Tapos na ako maglaban. Iiwan kang jacket ka. Forever, forever, family is forever. May ipapakita pala ako sa inyo, guys. Tinry ko yung natanggap ko sa Caris. Easy peasy na Happy Punch hair cover stick. Ito. Ginamit ko siya dito. See? Pwede siya kung may mga bald spots kayo. Ilalagay nyo siya. Ang galing niya actually. Wait sa ngayon ko lang siya tinry. Pero ang cute niya. Tapos ang dali lang niya i-apply, guys. Parang may iba-ibang shade ata sila. Yung pinili ko 2 for dark hair. Kasi dark yung buhok ko. And, wait try natin sa iba. Like, so sa mga kosa ko dyan. Kosa? Ano to, nakulong? Wait So, try natin dito. See? See? Tapos wala pa lang na iba ba? Hindi. Di ba? Natatakpan siya. Tapos, ang dali lang niya i-apply. Yun na siya, guys. And meron siyang product dyan. Tapos, ganyan lang siya pag-close. Ganyan. So, pag open mo sa kanya, meron na agad product. Hindi ka na ano-ano pa. Ano-ano pa. Yung ano talaga. Yan. Tapos, match naman siya sa kulay ng buhok ko. Pero, ililip ko yung link nito sa description box. Just in case you guys are interested. Pero, it's really nice. Akala ko nga nung na-receive ko to lipstick siya pero it's not. Forever, forever, forever. Gabondok na tupiin. Anong gagawin natin walang tutupi? Kaya gusto ko nagtutupi kasi may nakakanood ako walang tutupi. Alam mo yun? Wala pang showtime. So, hindi pa ako pwede manood ng showtime kasi wala pang 3 kasi nagsistream yung Showtime eh. Sa YouTube ako nanonood, guys, kasi meron silang Showtime live. Yeah, tupi-tupi lang tayo, guys! Tingnan nyo kung sinong nandito, guys. Umuwi siya saglit. Kasi yung next appointment niya daw malapit lang dito. Right, babe? Nakikinig sa voicemail. Edit lang tayo. Guys, gagawa ako ng lumpiang toge. So, lulutuin ko siya ngayon. Bukas ko siya i-wrap. Kasi anong oras na ba? What time is it, babe? Sorry.
4:20.
Nandito pa din siya eh. Hindi pa siya umaalis. Nagpabili ako sa kanya kanina. Konting prawns lang. Nilagay pa talaga nila sa bag. 6 lang ata to. $3.44. Pang ano ko lang, pang sahog ko sa lumpiang toge ba. Puno yung fridge natin, diba? Galing-galing. Gusto ko ito ginagawa kasi nagagamit ko yung aking chopper. Gusto lang itong gawin para magamit yung chopper. Parang tanga. Prepare ko lang yung ingredients, guys. Saglit lang, ha? Okay, guys. So, ito yung na-prepare kong ingredients. Isang malaking carrot, maliit na onion, ginger, garlic, at saka spring onion. Ito, inano ko siya, freeze ko siya. May nag-comment kasi siya sa mga video ko nung, sabi ko nasasayang yung spring onion, sabi, i-freeze. So, ayan, kinakat-kat ko siya, tapos freeze ko siya. Hindi ko sure kung ubusin ko to kasi kailangan ko ng konti para sa, gusto kong what do you call that? Ano tawag dun? Aras caldo. So, siguro, i-ano ko yan. Ayan, nabi-break naman pala eh. Ayun. Gagamitin ko yung iba, tapos yung iba, iiwan natin. Babalik natin sa freezer. And meron akong 4 dito na toge. 4 na pack. So, uubusin ko to lahat. And then, 500 grams na pork mince. Yun. Okay, I have my handy-dandy chopper over here. Hindi ko siya uubusin kasi ayaw kong maging sobrang crowded yung ating chopper. Pero pwede ko na silang i-mix lahat pero hindi uubusin. So, yan. Half na lang muna. Half ng garlic, half ng onion. Ito, Kmart lang to, guys. Mura lang to. Siguro $15 lang ata tong chopper na to. And kung hahaluin mo din naman siya pagluto mo, ihalo mo na lang pag-chop para hindi ka na mahirapan. Kasi kung iba-iba-iba mo pa yung chop, daming iba-iba-iba mo pa yung pag-chop, baka mas lalo kang matatagalan. Guys, na-chop ko na din yung ating 6 na prawns. Tinanggalan ko lang siya ng balat, tapos yung ulo tinanggal ko din, tapos chinap ko siya. Yan, kompleto na ang ating ingredients. Let's start cooking. Yan ang ating pork, guys. Yung oil na ginamit ko is sesame oil. Ito. Kasi mabango. Masarap. Nakakadagdag sa sarap ang sesame oil. Tapos, titimplahan ko na siya. Hindi ito same nung ginawa ko last time. Kasi sa totoo lang, nakalimutan ko na kung paano ko yun ginawa. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng pepper. Dadamihan natin kasi ang dami nating toge. Tapos, asin. And then, maglalagay din ako ng vegeta. Ito yung ating prawns. Lagay na natin. Ang bango ng sesame oil. Paghiwalayin nyo lang yung prawns kasi nagdidikit-dikit sila. Together forever daw kasi. Lagay na natin ang ating carrots, onion, yung mga chinap natin kanina, guys. Perfect. Ayan na siya, guys. Tinikman ko na siya kanina. Okay na siya. Pero dinagdagan ko pa nung mga seasoning na nilagay ko kanina kasi gusto ko mas maalat. Now, hinugasan ko na tong toge. Lalagay ko na, guys, silang lahat. Ang dami nito. Isa pa lang yun. Nandito ang iba. Marami to. Paano natin to gagawin? Parang fiesta naman itong lulutuan. yung totoo talaga. Bakit ako nagluto ng ganito karami? Wait sa. Agoy, 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 agoy. Di ba kumukonti to? Ito na siya, guys. Ito yung 4 na packs ng toge and sakto lang siya. Last time kasi nagluto ako nito, medyo mas dumami yung pork, kaya ngayon dinamihan ko yung toge. Akala ko kanina sobrang dami naman, pero okay lang. Tama na to. May tubig pa nga lang siya, so hintayin ko na lang na mag-evaporate yung tubig. Tikman ko muna to kung okay na yung lasa. Kulang siya, guys. Dagdagan ko lang siya ng pampalasa.
Hello, people. Razel has left me. I am now single, ready to mingle.
Yay!
Feel free to give me a call on 04. Okay, what did you call?
Lumpia.
Lumpia? Okay.
He has something to tell you, babes.
I'm pregnant.
Buang mo yung pagingan na, baby. Ay, pagingan na, babe.
Okay.
Joke.
I'm not pregnant. No. No.
Ang ano ng bright na future natin dyan, ah. Bright future!
Alright, future. So we booked a holiday in Easter time to the Maldives. So that's gonna be cool. So we could do some really cool filming. We got one of those huts on the water. So
We're going to Maldives.
yeah, so some good shots. This is one of Razel's holiday destinations. We've been asking to go here for ages. I reckon last year or two. Can we go to the Maldives?
No, I've been mentioning it.
And I'm like, no.
I've been mentioning
No.
it.
No.
But yeah, he's like, no, because it's an expensive one.
Yeah, and there's more priority places, but since Easter's, 4 days, and we're going to take an extra day off, so we can do Maldives for 4 nights, and that's all we probably need there.
Yeah,
So-
kasi island siya, guys. You can't
Yeah.
really do much.
How many islands are there in the Maldives?
1.
Wrong. 1,190.
Really?
Yep.
How many islands do we have in the Philippines?
Over 7,000.
Good job!
Thank you. Fun facts. So,
Wow.
yeah, so that's pretty cool.
Yes! We're
Yeah.
going to Maldives, people!
So if people got some good contact recommendations or
Oh, yeah.
contacts, let us know.
Ito yung, that's why gusto niyang sabihin kasi may mga, gusto niya makakuha ng mga impormasyon. Kasi na-book namin to, we booked this like 3 weeks ago?
Yeah, we booked it, but we can cancel our accommodation up until
Up until March?
March. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you've been there before, let me know where you've been and what you thought of it. Be good to
Yeah.
see opinions.
He's been doing his research and he
Okay.
booked one right away.
Yeah.
And it's really good.
I
I
like
really
it.
like.
Yeah,
I
I like
really
it.
like it as well.
We-
Pero just in case there's something better, let us know.
Yeah, we've got so it's on the water. It's like one of those huts, and then we've got our own private pool on the hut as well,
Yes.
above the water, and it's a big room. Buffet breakfast, which is good.
Yeah. So kapag nasa Maldives, yung tawag ko sa kanya Maldives eh. Pag sa Maldives kasi, feeling namin dapat, like, okay, I'm just gonna say it in English. If you're in Maldives, like we talked about this
My
already.
arm's getting sore.
Sorry.
That's alright, I'm gonna change arms. This is better.
If you're in,
Okay.
if you choose Maldives for a holiday, like expect to spend like,
Yeah, it's not a cheap holiday.
yeah, it's not cheap and you don't wanna stay in
Cheap accommodation.
a cheap accommodation as
Yeah.
well kasi parang nagiging Maldives siya dahil sa like really luxurious accommodation.
Yeah, it's one of those holidays since we've got no kids. It's probably a good couples retreat.
Yeah, it's good to
Yeah.
do it now.
Good to do it now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Kasi yun lang eh, yung magagawa mo, yun lang, resort, like no shopping really, unlike
shopping.
like Japan, Korea, which is good.
No shopping in Singapore either, my love. We're in Singapore airport.
Oh, I can't promise that, babe.
Which I'm looking forward to. Actually, really looking forward to. We've been to Singapore airport before, but they've built a new thing called the Jewel in the airport. You should Google it. It's
that's
pretty
another
cool.
thing we're really excited
Yeah, I
about.
want to check that out. It looks awesome.
Yeah.
But this is one of Razel's holiday wish list ticked off. She had like Japan, Korea,
Korea.
now Maldives, We've got New Zealand to do.
But we were gonna do New Zealand, guys.
Too short.
Yeah, pero sabi namin, the Easter weekend is too short for New Zealand. We want to explore New Zealand more if we choose New Zealand.
Yeah.
So we will need like maybe, what did you say, 2 weeks for New
Yeah,
Zealand?
I know, 2 weeks on one island and 2 weeks on the north and then 2 weeks on
Yeah.
the south. And we'll do that over 2 different holidays. So we'll do north first so we can see Sissy and holiday with Sissy for a little bit. So that'll be the next year or two.
Yeah.
And then a year or two later we'll do the South Island.
Yeah, so we're not
Yeah.
doing New Zealand yet,
No.
but we will do for sure kasi that's on my list as well.
Yeah.
Pero yeah, I was just like, how about Maldives? And he's like, that's actually a good idea. Because sometimes when I say, oh, Maldives, he'll be like, nah,
Nope.
no, not this time. He's
But-
just, no. But if he says something, oh, let's go here. I was like, yeah, of course.
Because my ideas are good.
Let's do it. Kapag ako yung nag-ano ng idea,
Mine is-
ayaw niya, but this time he actually said, yeah.
Yeah, this makes sense. So
Yeah, it does. No, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good and I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one as well,
Yeah.
so.
I will need a visa, but it's visa on arrival, so I do not have to take care of it like beforehand, which
Nah.
is really, really good. How's your arm?
Arm's getting
vlogging
sore,
arm? I
yeah.
know, right? Welcome to my life.
But especially when you just hold it in the same spot. Like if you're walking
I'll
around,
do it.
you've probably got stronger arms.
Yeah,
Do you?
of course.
That's better.
Yeah, hello. And you look skinny, look at you.
No, I've been bad. The last few days I've put on the weight, a little bit weight's come back.
Duh.
So this is motivation. Got Boracay, and then we got Renmark with Razel's friends, and then that's in end of February, and then April is Maldives. So the next 4 months we've got like some beach, water, holiday destinations. So
Yeah.
gotta get rid of some fat.
Is there any information you need from like people?
Every island has so every resort is on its own island, so you won't have like 2 resorts on the same island sort of thing. So
Can you like do like resort hopping?
You can do that,
Yeah.
but I don't know if you want to do that.
Right. That's why we chose a good one.
No, that's because it's got like a nice infinity pool as well, like
Yeah.
which is like on there, but you got your own private pool. You can do like scuba diving or jet skiing or sailing or fishing.
Yeah.
Or all those typical stuff, but that's really bloody expensive, a lot of that stuff. That's crazy, some of that.
Yeah, we booked a really good one, guys, but if we find something better for the price that we're like, you know,
Yeah, I'm still looking.
at. I
That's
know,
good.
because he's still looking. Like every day he's looking. And
I'm waiting for the deals.
yeah, but we booked the accommodation already. It's all paid for. But then again, if we see something better and like around the same, like around the price that we're looking to pay, then
Yeah.
we can cancel that one before March and like change. But yeah, so let us know if there's like any resort that you guys recommend.
Yeah.
Do you want to give them a budget?
Not really a budget, but one of the rules is you can't. I don't want to go on a seaplane, only
Okay.
because it just adds like another. So it has to be by boat.
Okay,
speedboat.
from the airport,
Or from Mali. I think it's Mali.
from Mali City. Yeah.
So you speedboat from there,
Okay.
or maybe from the airport. They might do speedboats from the airport. But speedboat from there to whatever.
Not a seaplane.
Not a seaplane.
Why don't you want a seaplane?
I just reckon it gets a boat can run 24/7, where seaplanes might be more scheduled.
Yep,
I
I
don't
get
know.
it.
I just want to. I think a boat's easier since it's only a short holiday. It's easier just to jump on get there, jump on a boat, and go instead
Yeah,
of muck around
just
with
do
plane.
the quick routes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a
No, I
boat
got
means
it.
it's going to be closer to there, so it won't be. A boat's only our boat ride. The one we booked is only like 20 minutes, half an hour.
Yeah.
So that's not too bad.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be good.
So no shopping in Singapore airport. Promise.
No promising.
I don't make a promise.
Nope. We didn't talk about that. We talked about no shopping in Maldives because there's no shopping in Maldives.
The shopping's all in the
But
Singapore airport.
Singapore's really good for
Yeah.
shopping.
The airport's really good for shopping.
Yeah. So that I'm looking forward to.
What? What?
Love you so much.
Jesus.
Oh, that's our anniversary.
Anniversary presents ever. This is your destination.
I know. This is my destination.
New Zealand. No, maybe end of the year.
Maybe.
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 It's gonna be 2 weeks, and Sissy doesn't have to be there. But if we do, you know, if we do a different island, if we do, yeah, it doesn't matter. Long time.
Yeah.
That's a year away.
I know.
It's only December 2019.
Yeah, I know. We didn't expect that we're gonna book it like that quick. Or we were just thinking like, where are we gonna go next after Philippines? And then we started thinking about New Zealand, and then you said, nah, New Zealand's not gonna work. And then we thought of Bali. But then Bali's flights, they are expensive
For Bali.
for Bali. Like, you know, if you go on a different month, it will be way cheaper.
Yeah.
But because it's Easter and like a lot of people from Australia go to Bali, then the flights go
Yeah.
skyrocket. Sabi namin, if we're gonna spend that much, let's just go somewhere far, you know? So, yeah, no, mapapagasta patuloy kami ng more pa. Now we didn't want to spend that much to go to Bali, and now we're spending more. But it's okay because it's
we
only...
can go to Bali anytime. Bali's easy.
Yeah, yun din yung inisip namin. Bali is easy, so we can just go there anytime.
Maldives you can do it with kids, but it's too costly. And you kind of, because you can't have the same fun because you're on like a journey or a
you
hike.
have to watch the kids
And what
as well.
if the kids fall in the water?
That's right. That's right. You have to watch the kids.
So you can't do it with young
So
kids.
it's not. Yeah, it's not as fun.
Nah.
It's still fun, but
More. It's a
more
couple
scary.
place. It's a couple place.
yeah. But no, it's really good.
Yeah, no, it's good. We've done a lot of
Yeah.
holidays.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let us
Sa
know.
dami ng pinagdaanan natin, kailangan natin
Exactly right.
mapaglilibang sa
Exactly
buhay.
right.
Diba?
Thank you. Alright.
Is there anything else you want to say?
We should tell them to. We're gonna film. No,
Oh, another one.
no. When was it? Beginning of this year, I made some predictions. What's gonna happen this year, and we're gonna follow up on what came true and what didn't come true, and our predictions for 2020. Our prediction and goals for 2020.
So he's been doing really good, right? Because I'm doing Vlogmas, he's been thinking about video ideas for me. And one night he was like, oh, this is a good video idea. Let's do this. I was like, perfect. Less for me to think of.
Yeah, it's a good.
Yeah, but it is actually good. Because he vlogged one day. I think it was my 400k subscribers. Basta he vlogged that day.
Did I
and
vlog that day?
You did. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, you did. You were holding the camera. He showed me the video and he was doing all these predictions. And some predictions came true.
Not all of them.
Not all.
But we'll make them again and then see what comes true next year.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
Then you can review them again. Vlogmas 2020.
That should be like a New Year thing though. We predict like what's gonna happen this year. But yeah, that's alright.
No.
Oh no, that video was uploaded.
2nd of Jan.
Yeah, so like around that, New Year.
Around that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's good. Yeah. If you haven't watched that video yet and you want to know Dan's predictions, I'll leave it like here.
Right there.
Right
Right
here.
there.
Right here.
There.
It's a really good video.
Yeah. And we can close the vlog for tonight. This is a long one.
Iko-close na daw namin yung vlog guys kasi mahaba na. O diba? Manager? Are you my manager?
I'm the owner.
Wow. Sabi niya, he owns 51% of Simply Rice.
I own 51% of Simply Rice. I'm the
Ako, ano na lang ako?
I'm the majority owner.
A majority shareholder.
Yep.
Buang. Anyway, as per my shareholder here, the video is too long now, so we should say
Way too
goodbye.
long.
But thank you for being in my vlog, my love. Thank you for the long exposure, Mr. Shareholder.
Thank you.
Yun na yung vlog! Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the Vlogmas Day 3. Today's day 3, my love.
Very bloody hell, it's gonna be a long vlog. Are you gonna stop at Christmas time vlogging?
Maybe I will take a rest.
Okay.
I'm not gonna stop vlogging.
No, it's just for a
Silly.
day or two rest.
Okay, that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys.
Focus.
Lucas, good
Yeah,
night.
see you guys.
Be good. Bye. Mwah.